So now you can see as the project progresses, we went from a dry brushed effect with color to a sanded down and worn and weathered look of the same color. So here's the panel with the next step applied, which is a rigorous sanding to wear away a lot of the paint to get down to the natural wood. So, you know, it just looks very aged. But here's this is kind of pretty too, without any of the sanding. A little bit less believable though, you know, because vintagey, worn and weathered things wouldn't be as brightly saturated with color. So wearing it down with pretty gritty sandpaper, for instance, I'm using, I think this is 80 grit, yeah, sandpaper. So, you know, really takes a lot of the paint off, giving you that more vintage aged finish. So stand by, we've got another layer to come, putting these things together on the carts. I'll be excited to show you those next.